Okay, you guys, so here's what my Cloffice looks like before. That's what it looks like. And here is the after. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've taken off the rack that was up there, and now I'm going to patch those holes up and with putty and let them dry and get this cleared out so I can start painting as soon as the putty dries and I sand it down. Then I'll be good to go. This is the type of putty I'm going to be using, or spackling, whatever you want to call it. And it lets you know when it's dry by turning, I think, white or pink. I'm not sure. But this is the type I'm going to be using. Okay, so everything is cleared out of the office now. The spackle is on. Once it turns white, it's ready to sand and paint. And it's drying pretty fast. So while that's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and start painting the bathroom, and then I'll come back to this room. Okay, here is the finished Cloffice in the closet. So I did remove the door so that I could just walk right in. I could just see the space. I wouldn't have the door all in my way. Um, Let me go, really, because this is not like a big room. um, but it turned out just like I imagined it would. And I'm going to show you the inspiration photo from Pinterest that I got this idea from. Um, okay, that mirror is dirty, but don't judge, okay? And I just put all of my favorite decor pieces up there. I built this desk today. Quick DIY. 3 pieces of wood cut at Lowe's, and I just painted them a high gloss white, and that's it. And there is the computer and all of my favorite things. I added some shelving and some bling. Just enough. Just enough. And then down here, I just have a little corral of white stuff, because I just love white stuff. So I have 2 mercury glass lamps back there in the back. And this is just what I have on my desk. And that's one of the little curved computers. So I have the speakers back there. I'm just using my book of something to as a mouse. Lost my train of thought. Now I just do that pillow down there, and then there's one in the seat here. Those are from Target. And so this is how it turned out. I think I'm going to add a little fuzzy rug. And I also want to add something right there where the pillow is. Like a filing cabinet or something like a filing cabinet. But here's how it turned out. And I'm going to change that light out to a chandelier as well. But this is the after of the Cloffice, the office in a closet. So let me come over this way so you can see like my view from here. Like if I'm in the living room area, you can see how that turned out. And again, I took the door off and put it in the storage unit. And so this is how it turned out. I really like it. Nice and cozy. Much bigger than the one that I just had at the house, actually. I really, really like it. Let me know what you think about the Cloffice. And yeah, I'm going to insert the photo from Pinterest that I just kind of pulled my idea from. And I love it. 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 Okay, guys. That is all for now. I will show you whatever room I start working on next. Everyone stay blessed. Stay positive. Stay prayed up. Don't let nobody dictate y'all mood. Do something good for yourself. And always do something good for someone else. Oh my God. I love it. Okay. Bye, y'all.